Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Cancer, water sign, and this reading is for the month of June. So this is monthly reading and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Cancer, your recent past. So let's see your recent past. 8 of Cups, Temperance, High Priestess. Definitely there is separation. 8 of Cups is walking away from the situation or relationship, and patience and balance is needed in this situation, definitely in past. I think your person could be Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, could be fire sign or water sign. The High Priestess, definitely trust your initiation because your initiation never goes wrong. And definitely there is separation between both of you in past, and one person is waiting patiently. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Definitely for some separation. So let's see. Wow, 6 of Cups, lot of water energy. Wow, 8 of Wands. Devil, your person could be Capricorn. Definitely separation is happened due to the devil. I think your person could be addicted to some bad habits, or you both could addicted to each other. Could definitely you both feel strong soulmate connections with each other or past life connections. 6 of Cups, definitely there is a chance for reconciliation also. And 8 of Wands, definitely in present you both could, near future definitely communication is coming in your way. 8 of Wands, and situation is going to be better definitely, because your person will contact you and they want to ask for reconciliation definitely. So it's up to you to accept their offer or not. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Cancer. Your person near future actions towards you. Five of Pentacles, the Strength, definitely separation. Page of Cups, yes, your person feels very sad for this separation. 5 of Pentacles, I think one person leaving the other person in cold. Definitely they are gaining strength to come towards you and ask apology to you for what they did to you in past. Definitely that's why they will communicate to you and they will apologize to you. Definitely in near future they will make a move towards you and ask apologies to you, definitely. So there will be a chance for reconciliation. It's here, choice is up to you, Cancer, to accept their apology or not, to accept their offer or not. So let's pull some cards from universe. 4 of Pentacles, I think your person could be stubborn. 4 of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, the last card, 10 of Wands. Definitely your person feeling exhausted and he is thinking about a lot this connection. 4 of Swords, thinking, not taking any action, but later he realized your worth after separation and make a message to you, definitely an apology. But I think he is like stubborn, not expressive. He is not expressing his feelings to you. So the Devil is also here. Your person could be Capricorn, or your person could be addicted to some bad habits. So depending upon your situation you have to make your decision. So here High Priestess, so trust your intuition, what your intuition says, listen to that intuitions. Definitely your person will come and ask for reconciliation, so choice is yours. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.